In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a client inside of FreshBooks. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up FreshBooks like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to clients and go over to new clients over here. Then this page should be popping up where you can add in a first name, a last name, and a company name for the specific client. Then from here you can add in an email address, a phone number. You can add in a business number or a mobile phone number if you have that. Then from here you can also add in an address where you can change the country, the address line, town or city, the state, province, postal code, and the text name and the text number if you have that. Then from here you can go over to client settings where you can turn off these settings over here. You can select automatically send payment reminder for this client's invoice. You can change or charge a late fee. You can change the currency and the language for the client. And you can add in an optional to attach PDF copy when sending invoices by email. Then from here, when you're done, you need to click save. And then you can see the client has been saved. And as you can see down here in recently active, you'll see your new client, or down here in the clients, you can also see it right here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!